Okay, my good people, this is the ARIMA input data definition form. ARIMA simply means auto-regressive integrated moving averages. It's just like the auto-regressive distributed lag, but this one is a moving average. Now let's see what happened. We can actually use any data. We can even use the one that we have before to do that. Now let's see profits then against pre-tax 1, pre-tax 2, incentive 1, incentive 3, then pre-tax 3. Yeah, I just have to make sure that so we are using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 independent variables against the dependent variable. So we still call on the cross sec, as our data, and there we process ARIMA. Let's see what ARIMA can offer us. Yeah, ARIMA has processed, and ARIMA has produced its own plots. You can see this is the plot produced by ARIMA. Yeah, this looks good. Now the first one is the residuals of ARIMA model, and then the second plot is the QQ plot of residuals. You can see how the data coiled over was coiling over the diagonal line. So it's a beautiful beautiful plot anyway. So that's that. So we remove the plot so that we can see others. Yeah, so yeah, this is another plot, and this one is simply saying fitted versus actual values, well less model. Now the actual values are in the blue, but the fitted one is the one that is in red. So, and that's it. So now let us now look at what the whole thing is all about. This is the data set used. First of all, it started with ADF tests. ADF tests for all the variables and the data set anyway. And then it now goes on to the analysis proper, starting with descriptive, and then from descriptive went on to pre-tax. However, there are some warnings here, but then the warning is not fatal because it's just showing you what it did. Then the ARIMA model summary is represented by SARIMAX results. That's SARIMAX model. That is what it's using. So the model is ARIMA. You can see it here, ARIMA 212. Then just like the other one, number of observations is this, log likelihood, AIC, BIC, HQIC, and so on and so forth. So now you can see the analysis, the coefficient that is turning out. Apart from this, you can see the ARIMA coefficient, L1, L2, and so on and so forth. Those who are much in use of this will know most of what those coefficients are. And then you look at the p-value, you find out that some of them were significant while others are not. So, and you have a sigma 2 self. And that's it. So you have critical values here, and also some warnings, processing warnings, and then you have the fixed effect model also, because this one also have to do with the fixed effects, and then the random effect model also, because there's also some form of Hussman statistics test. But then the Hussman statistics test is also just barely the result of what happened the panel data. So this is it, and I believe you have learned a lot from this. It's a good one.